So good morning, everybody.
Okay, so I'm going to introduce.
Okay.
Okay, so Dr. Sutherland is a specialist of medical engineering, and he is going to talk about computer graphics and medical imaging. And postgraduate students, could you sign up? Sit. Okay, please.
Good morning, everybody. Actually, today I wasn't sure what topic to choose, so rather than bore you with one topic, I thought I would just make an overview of everything that I've done so far, 20 years in Japan. So I was born in Seattle, Washington. Seattle is a very nice place, but it rains too much. So I moved to Texas. My father was at the University of Texas. So I went to junior high and high school, and I studied computer science at the University of Texas. And I graduated in 1986, and I came to Japan in 1989. First I taught English in Japan, but I didn't like teaching English. I wanted to do something related to computers, so I asked around friends, and was introduced to this company called Hudson Soft that is located in Hiragishi. So I was at Hudson Soft for about 6 years, and at first I didn't know anything about computer games. I never really even liked computer games when I was a kid. But for me, I always liked computer graphics, so computer games, I feel it's just a branch of computer graphics. So some of the games that, by the way, this is called a PC Engine. When I first entered Hudson, this system was developed with NEC. This is the main, what do you call it, the main unit. And it had this interface. You could buy this separately, and you could play these games that come on a IC chip, a ROM chip. But this was the first game console that used a CD-ROM. So this was a very, I think, very pioneering game console. And so we made, I think we did Sim Earth. Sim Earth we made first. We really wanted to do Sim City, which was a popular game, but because of the politics in the gaming industry, Nintendo will only grant a, they call it an exclusive contract for Sim City. So we got Sim Earth, which we made, and I think we did a good job with it. Even though it wasn't popular, it's not really a game at all. It's more of a kind of a simulation tool. Then I worked on this game, John Madden Football. In America, the sports games are very popular, football games and basketball games and baseball games. In Japan, RPG games are probably the most popular type of game. But this was John Madden was a famous football coach and a commentary, very colorful guy on TV. And this game franchise is still going today after 20 years, maybe almost 20 years. And then this is a RPG game for the Japan. And for this game, called a Gulliver Boy, we tried to read off the CD and display the video. So nowadays we have DVDs, and everybody thinks of DVDs as a video, but in those days nobody had nobody had started playing videos from CD. At that time, the video for Windows and Mac QuickTime were just released. So I want to show you, just to give you an idea of what it did. So this is, actually found this on YouTube. I was amazed at something that I had actually worked on. I could just plug into YouTube and there it is. So it's very, in Japanese we say natsukashi, nostalgic. So the hard part about this system was, well, one of the hard things was the graphics on the PC Engine doesn't display a regular bitmap. Like on Windows you have a bitmap, and any pixel you can set to any one of the 256 colors. On the PC Engine it's broken up into characters. So with one character you have to assign 16 colors, and you have 16 palettes. So it makes for a very difficult algorithm in optimization. How to choose the optimal 16 palettes. Each palette has 16 colors, and you have to map that onto this screen so that it looks like a normal bitmap. Another problem was getting the sound to synchronize with the video. So I had lots and lots of trouble. What I did was it's hard to tell with animation when the sound is exactly in sync. So I took a video of a newscast, and I just watched the newscast and the speakers' lips moving, and had to adjust the speed. Well, the speed of the audio is set, so I had to adjust the speed of the video to match the audio, so that when we have very long, some of these were like 5 minutes, I think, very long sequences. At the end, the audio and video would be out of sync. So that was another big problem I really worked on a long time. And also, finally, when we first started doing these videos, we were reading off the CD directly into video RAM, because that seemed like the most efficient way to get all the data off the CD into the video RAM. However, there's a problem because the CD can only read about 4 seconds, and then it has to stop and seek again. So that would cause, when we first started making these, it would play for 4 seconds and then it would stutter, and then play 4 seconds and stutter. So we stopped reading directly into video RAM and read into buffer into regular memory. And then from that we transfer from memory into video RAM, so you don't see any stopping and stuttering. So that's known as buffering. So even if the CD is knocked, or you could even pop open the, well, lots of times it has seek errors, so it won't always seek correctly the first time. So buffering made it, you would have even if it would seek for 2 seconds or so, it could still continue playing without any noticeable stop.